How you doing? My name's Mike Ulrich. I'm here today with MarineMax Venice, standing next to an all-new Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. Let's notice right away that this one is their all-new platinum gel coat. Awesome, looks great on the side. Black rub rail gives a nice accent to match the black windshield, but this one does have the platinum gel coat matching on the underside of the hardtop. Come aboard, let's get started. Starting off with the transfer of this boat, this one is equipped with a Mercury 300 horsepower engine in the Cold Fusion white cowling. Coming right forward, you're going to have your standard live well located right back here in the transom. Easy to get to, doesn't take up any space inside the boat. Right next to that, you're going to have your Whaler bench seat that drops down. Nice and wide, gives you plenty comfortable seating across, and the supports are located nice and low so it doesn't get in your way, like some of the competitor boats. Over here, you're going to have your seat that's versatile to set into a couple different configurations. You do have this bracket right here. What that bracket is for is to set up your table right here. So when you have your table deployed, you can sit here, deploy that bench seat in the back, hang out, have a nice area to enjoy a quick little meal. Like I said, very versatile. You can set it up to a couple different ways. Chase lounge facing forward or aft. The back does pop up as well. Cup holders throughout, all the way. So no matter what way you have the seat configured, you've got a great area to have your drink. Over here is going to be your head compartment. Nice and wide. This is a vacuum flush head on this boat. Let's close that up. Coming over to the helm. Now, this is one of the most popular areas that people are wanting to learn more about. The helm on this one is now equipped with your Simrad electronics. So now that Whaler's gone over to Simrad, the configuration's a little different. You got the nice one right here, but your head unit is now also the JL. So it's not the smaller Raymarine one that we had in the past. It's your nice JL audio head unit that looks really great. Covers that up. Mercury vessel view below. Below that, you're gonna have all your rocker switches, as you always do on Whaler. Nice little tray here, USB charging, 12-volt accessory, cup holders, and your throttle located right over here. Also, Simrad VHF mounted right on here, same place as it was before, but the dash looks great. Coming forward into the bow, this one does have the bow filler cushion put in here. So with the bow filler cushion, as you can see, turns the whole front of this into a nice sun pad. In true Whaler fashion, all of these cushions are removable to give you that nice solid casting platform below. So if you want to use it as the fishing boat, you can. But you can also remove that, and below that sun pad is a table. So you can have the bow table in the front, also a bow table in the back of this boat as your cockpit table to have two different areas for eating. Now, concealed in the front of this boat, which is one of the coolest things about the Vantage, is how they give you both the windlass and the ladder. When they redesigned the front of the 240, they gave you the option for both by kicking that ladder off to the side so you can have both features and you don't have to choose between one. So that's it. That's my quick video walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. Again, this one is located inside the Venice showroom in the air conditioning right now. This boat is available for immediate delivery. So if you want to be boating this weekend, give me a call, come in, we'll go through the boat together, and who knows, you might be able to take it home. Thanks again.